We've all been there, spilt cereal on the kitchen floor, muddy paw prints on the carpet, and mysterious stains on the sofa. Well, cleaning all that usually means juggling multiple tools and machines. But what if there was one device to do it all? Well, meet the eufy E28. The world's first 2-in-1 HydroJet floor washing robot vacuum with a detachable portable deep cleaner designed to conquer every mess. This shared base station powers both the robot vacuum and the portable deep cleaner. So you get two powerful devices in one with zero extra clutter. While the robot scrubs the floors, the PDC tackles sofas, curtains, stairs, even your car seats. The portable deep cleaner is a game changer. It's lightweight, intuitive, and built to clean fabric surfaces with powerful suction, stains on mattresses, dog hair on the stairs, no problems. And when you're done, just hit the self clean button, no rinsing or mess. So at the heart of the E28 is the HydroJet System, an industry first. The roller mop scrubs at 360 times per minute, applying downwards pressure to ease dried spills and sticky messes in a single pass. Dirty water is scraped away instantly while fresh water flows in, keeping the mop and your floor clean at all times. With a whopping 20,000 PA of suction power, the E28 pulls out dirt from deep in the carpet, even through the cloth layer. The dual spiral anti-tangle brush uses a retract and reverse mechanism to channel hair into the dustbin, zero tangles guaranteed. Smart tech, the E28 has plenty. With AIC obstacle avoidance, it dodges over 200 household items, even in the dark. The corner rover arm extends to reach wall edges, and the all-in-one station handles everything: self-cleaning, mop washing, hot air drying, auto detergent, and water refill. You can control it from your phone, customize cleaning modes, set no-go zones, or just ask Alexa to get started. The E28 even recognizes over 30 types of stains, adapting cleaning power on the fly. Oh, and it's eco-conscious too, with 95% recyclable packaging and smart power saving built in. The eufy28 brings deep cleaning power to every surface, whether you're a parent dealing with spills, a pet owner battling fur, or just someone who wants a spotless space without the hassle. So let's summarize the eufy E28. It's the world's first 2-in-1 clean solution, combining a robot vacuum with HydroJet floor washing and a detachable portable deep cleaner. It's all powered by a shared all-in-one base station. It's designed for those who want complete hands-free, whole home cleaning experience that also gives you the option to tackle everything from dried floor spills to fabric stains. As someone with a kid, the E28 stands out above the competitors because now, instead of having multiple machines like a vacuum, a mop, and a wet vac to help keep my house clean, it's an all-in-one compact system that gives me complete remote control. And we currently have a special offer for the fans. Redeem $150 off the E28 with code eufyhydrojet. Click the link below, or if you're on a budget, get the E25 for the same cleaning power just without PDC. comment what your favorite feature was, share this with a friend who you think needs this in their life, hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.